Hey everyone, it's been a little bit, but today we are looking at gold and silver under the microscope. So here I have a box of silver, or mostly silver rings, and then off to the side here I have a rose gold, which is the pink stone, and the blue stone is a white gold ring. So we're going to take these and take a look at them under the microscope. But before we do, I just want to say I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, about 3 months. Anyway, I'm going to try and get back into it. The weather is warming up, so we should start seeing a lot more life coming out, where we can get that and look at it under the microscope. So these rings look like they're in good shape. We'll put them under there, see if we see anything of interest. We're going to start with the white gold one first. So here is our white gold band, and right away I'm showing you the 10K marking that shows or verifies the quantity or quality of gold that is within this ring. So the 10K means there's 10 carats of gold in here, and then the other amount is some other metal mixed with it. Here is the band, just the band without the marking. See all these scratches all over it. Kind of interesting. You think your ring looks really nice until you put it under the microscope and there's a bunch of big old crack there. But a bunch of big scratches and marks all over it. Now I believe a lot of these scratches some of them come from just normal everyday use. And the other ones come from when they're grinding or polishing the metal or shaping it into the ring to the correct size and all that. Now at the top of the ring, this is that aquamarine looking stone, or that aqua color. There's the stone there. No, I have no idea what type of stone this is. It could just be a type of glass stone. But you can see all these nicks into the stone. A bunch of nicks all through it. You can't see these with your naked eye, or the naked eye, or whatever they say. But you have all these marks all through it, most likely formed when they were grinding the stone to shape it. We're now going to move to the rose gold ring and take a look at that one and see what we see on that one. Here's our rose gold band. Now these things are so big under the microscope, it's really hard to actually get a good view, so I'll try and show you the best I can. But again, we see all over the band scratches. Rose gold is, I believe, gold, and then a mix of copper, and I think that's it, but I could be wrong. Others know a lot more than me as far as gold goes. Now here is the 10K marking on this gold band. It's a little bit hard to see on this one. And I had to actually hold the ring in my hand, so it's a little bit shaky. There's the K. Just because the position of where it was at, it was kind of hard to show you. So that we saw the K, there's the 0, and then here's the 1. So this is a 10K ring. Alright, we're now looking at that pink stone that was on top of the rose gold ring, and again I'm seeing lots of nicks in the stone. Now these are probably, I think they're glass stones, but I have no idea what mineral these are. But I could be wrong. If somebody knows, please comment below and tell me what what it is, if you can tell from the video. And I'm just trying to hold this. This stone was so big that it was really hard to actually get it under the microscope to see with the ring attached to it. And I didn't want to rip it out of the ring. Here's one of the handlebars that hold the stone in place. Anyway, I want to show you some of the other stones that were on top of the other rings. So here we have it was supposed to look like a diamond. I don't know if it is one, but some type of stone on a ring. Here's another green stone. This one was on a silver ring. The silver basically looked the same, all the scratches all over the ring. Here's a red one. Here's a blue one. Here is a purple one. Anyway, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like and subscribe. Support the channel. I've made it to over 400 subscribers, so thank you very much to everyone. And I hope to see you on the next video. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.